Is your child not gaining weight? Is your child having speech delay? Maybe you're worried because your child doesn't seem to be doing well in school, or you're looking for food to support their brain development. Then don't go anywhere because this video is for you. You know, as mothers, sometimes we focus so much on whether our children are eating enough that we forget to ask another important question. What exactly are we feeding them? Because food is not only about filling the stomach. Children need enough energy, protein, healthy fat, vitamins and minerals for their growing bodies and developing brains. And that is exactly what I want to talk to you about while I prepare this meal today. I am combining several nutritious ingredients instead of relying on just one food. So here I added a cup of oats into my bowl, and the next ingredient I'll be using is Makkie Healthy Food Tom Brown Plus. Now, if you're looking for a very good meal, like a complete meal for your child that is rich in the 6 classes of food, then this Tom Brown Plus is one meal you shouldn't joke with. This is highly nutritious and perfect for brain development. Chubsters, let me tell you something. Have you ever noticed that your child forget the things you just told them? You tell them something today, tomorrow they have completely forgotten it. Or maybe your child is always struggling to concentrate when you're trying to teach them something. Or maybe they are in school, they lack concentration, they are not even doing well in school. And sometimes as mothers, we just say, okay, this child doesn't want to learn, or this child doesn't like to learn, or this child is just stubborn. But Chopstar, let me tell you something. Look at what you are putting into your child's plate. That is number one. Look at what you are feeding your child. Look at the nutrition you are giving to your child. I am not saying food alone will determine how intelligent a child will be, but good nutrition is very important for a child's growing brain. And this is one of the reasons I like putting different nutritious food together instead of feeding my children the same thing every day. Now, look at these peanuts that I am adding. Mommy, don't underestimate this little granite. You see this peanut here? Don't ever underestimate it. It gives us protein, healthy fat, and other nutrients that can be part of a child's healthy diet. And if you're trying to increase your child's weight, this is also useful because healthy fat and energy-rich food can help you make their meals more nourishing without simply giving them a bigger plate of food, you know. So if your child is the type that eats and eats and eats, but you're still wondering, why is this child not adding weight? Don't only think about increasing the quantity. Look at the quality of the food you're feeding your child. Look at the quality. What are you adding? Where is the protein? Where are the healthy fats? Where are the different grains and nutrient rich foods? Because Chopstar, we are not just trying to fill the child's stomach. We want to give that child food that supports the body as they grow and supports their developing brain too. Now Chopstar, look at this one, tiger nuts. Now let me ask you something. Have you noticed that some children are not just interested in food, like they are just picky? You prepare food, they take 2 spoons and they're already saying, "Mommy, I am full." And you are there wondering, what exactly is the child living on? What exactly is the child surviving on? This is where tiger nut comes in. This is one of the reasons I like making meals with different nutritious ingredients. Tiger nut can help to add energy, even as little as the quantity that they will eat. It will help to add energy, healthy fat, fiber, and other nutrients to the meal. So you're not just giving your child something to fill the stomach. And Chopstar, don't let me forget this one, carrots. Now, I know some children will look at vegetables and immediately tell you, "Mommy, I don't want this vegetable," or "Remove it from my food. Mommy, I don't like carrots. Mommy, I don't like this." You can cook and serve this beautifully and they will still pick it out from their food, no matter how you try to serve it to them. This is why I like blending vegetables into meals like this. Carrot gives us beta carotene. It gives beta carotene to children, which the body converts to vitamin A. Now, vitamin A is important for healthy vision, immune function, and normal growth. So if your child is not a big fan of vegetables, you can look for creative ways to include them in meals that they already enjoy, just like I am doing. And Chopstar, this is what I want you to take away from this recipe. You don't need one magical food. You need a variety of good foods coming together. Next up is pumpkin seed, and we'll be adding 1/4 cup of this pumpkin seed. And after that, we're going to combine everything into a blender and we are going to finely blend everything. Now, let me tell you the reason why I love adding pumpkin seed to children's meal. There was a time my third baby was feeling ill and I had to take her to see her pediatrician. And you know, after examining the child, the doctor started asking me some questions What does the child eat? Is the child eating a variety of food? Is the child getting enough protein and healthy fat and all of that? So that was when the doctor now told me the importance of this pumpkin seed and why we should be including it in children's meal. Pumpkin seed are one of those little ingredients you can use to add protein, healthy fats, iron, zinc, and magnesium to a child's meal. These nutrients are important for normal growth and development. So if you have been using only few ingredients in your child's pap, oats, cereal, any kind of food, you can sometimes switch things up and use pumpkin seed too, or you combine them with other nuts to make a full meal for your child. So after blending, transfer to a sieve and sieve out the milk. Please, this is optional. You can decide to prepare this meal after blending it. Don't sieve it out to retain the fiber, right? So this is completely optional. After blending, you can go ahead and start cooking or processing it. But if you want to get a finer powder, you can just sieve out the milk. So for this particular recipe, I only need the milk because I already have other source of fiber for my children, and so I just needed this porridge, right? And please note that this chaff that I got from this, I am not discarding it. I'm also going to use it to make pancakes. I'm going to use it to make waffles and all of that. If you want me to teach you how to use this to make pancake, waffle, or any other meal, just let me know in the comment section. Now we just gently transfer the porridge. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. This is delicious. If you want your child's brain to be very sharp, you want your child to be doing well in school, to be very intelligent, this is a meal that helps to boost their brain, especially that Tom Brown, yes, and the pumpkin seed. It is very powerful. Then if your child is having poor eyesight, you just want something to get their eyesight to be very clear, you want their skin to be very nice, that is where the carrot comes in. This is a super meal, trust me. This is pediatrician approved. Do you know one thing that gets me so excited on this channel is how mothers are trying these recipes back to back. The reviews I am getting on this channel, if I continue posting it on this channel, we won't drop any video. The reviews are amazing. So if you're just joining us for the first time, please do well to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. Now, after cooking for a while, you will notice that the porridge is now thickening. If it has thickened to your desired consistency, then you can now set it down. And our meal is ready. Guys, look at how creamy and smooth this turned out. Chopstars, if you're looking for meals you can add to your child's diet, you're concerned about your child's weight, your child is picky, or you want your child to become so intelligent and have sharp brain, or you want to give your child nutritious food that supports normal growth and brain development, this is definitely one recipe to save. And the beautiful thing is that you can prepare this ahead. Once it has cooled properly, transfer it into a clean covered container and keep it in the refrigerator. If you want to keep it for longer period of time, you can portion it in different cups and then freeze it. When you want to feed your baby, just bring it out and thaw it and reheat it properly before serving. Now, I serve this particular portion with yogurt. You can serve yours with milk. You can serve it with breast milk formula or any other thing. This meal is suitable for babies from 6 months and above. Every ingredient is appropriate for your child's age and it should be introduced safely. And also, Chopstars, if you want to recreate this exact kind of nourishing meal at home, then you need the Makkie Healthy Food Tom Brown Plus. This is not just an ordinary Tom Brown. It is a rich blend of carefully selected grains and nutritious ingredients made to help you gain a healthy and a chubby baby. Right, so this is the best Tom Brown so far in Nigeria, and you can use it for pap, porridge, cereal, smoothies, and different baby food recipes. And because it is already blended and ready to use, it saves you the stress of buying different ingredients, measuring everything, and doing all the work yourself. So if you're a busy mom and you want something that is convenient that you can easily add to your child's meal, this Tom Brown Plus is for you. So if you're looking for the best Tom Brown, I mean the best Tom Brown so far in Nigeria to keep in your kitchen, don't just watch this video and move on. Go and get yours. The link to order this product is in the description and in the pinned comment. Please click the link and place your order for Makkie Healthy Food Tom Brown Plus, and you can pair it with Makkie Healthy Food Chubby Butter. And the best part is that it can be delivered to all states, whether you are in Nigeria or abroad. We got you covered. So if you're a mom struggling with what to feed your child for healthy weight gain, picky eating, or you're simply looking for more nutritious baby food ideas, make sure you subscribe to Chubby Baby's Kitchen and tell me in the comments what is your biggest feeding challenge with your child right now. I want to hear from you. I will see you in my next recipe. Bye, mommies.